Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials, your admin login and a device already connected to the network. Once done, open the vendor app or a web browser and enter the router IP like 192.168.0.1. Make sure to use a wired connection if audio or video prompts are sluggish, because stability reduces errors. You need admin access to change the Wi-Fi password. This is why credentials matter. If the router asks for two-factor or a setup code, follow that prompt before proceeding to the wireless settings area. Once in the admin panel, navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings. The label may vary by brand. Select the SSID you want to change and confirm the security mode. Prefer WPA3 or WPA2/WPA3 mixed for compatibility. Then type a strong password, at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. This prevents easy guessing. After entering the new passphrase, click Save or Apply. The router will often restart the radio. Make sure to note the new password somewhere secure so you can reconnect devices. Now complete the process by reconnecting devices with the new password, starting with smart home devices so they resume automation. If a device fails to connect, reboot both that device and the router. This clears cached credentials. Make sure your device is using the correct SSID if multiple networks exist. If you lose admin access, you can factory reset the router as a last resort. Note this erases settings. One key tip: if things go wrong, check wireless mode and security compatibility first, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.